Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see levels of programming languages. So here I have listed out levels of programming languages. So here first one is high level programming language. Example is Python, Java, then JavaScript. So then middle level languages are there. C++ are the examples. Then low level assembly language is the example, and machine level, that is binary language. So mostly people prefer high level programming language to write code because here simple English like statements are there. So these languages are easy to learn, easy to understand, easy to write code, and because of that there will be fast development, right? So that's why people are preferring high level programming languages. And here in these high level programming languages, you don't need to worry about memory management in program. So then there is middle level programming language. So example are C++. So these languages are little bit difficult to understand and write code also. So here you need to worry about memory management in program. So then low level language is there, assembly language. Example is assembly language. So if you have done microprocessor programming in your college, so there are when you are writing code like move, add instructions are there, and processor registers are you are using in writing your code. So that is the low level, that is assembly language. Then machine level, that is binary language. So binary means two, so there will be two symbols are there, 0 and 1. So this 0 and 1 represent voltage levels. Why voltage levels? Because we know that computer is an electronics device. So whatever code you are writing, so that will get executed by your processor, and your processor can execute only machine level, that is voltage levels, and those voltage levels are represented by high level and low level. So 0 represent low level voltage and 1 represent high level voltage, right? So in this way these are the levels of programming language. So whatever high level code you are writing, so that will get converted into machine code using compiler and or interpreter, right? So there are languages, those are compiler based languages, and there are some languages those are interpreter based languages. Means whatever high level code you are writing, so that will get converted into machine code using either compiler or interpreter. So whatever Python we are going to learn, so that is interpreted language, right? So in this way these are the levels of programming language. So if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.